Hi class, it's Mrs. Perrone and we're on page 28 of your shiny math book. We're continuing our conversation about multiplying integers or multiplying numbers that are positive and, or negative. So read the problem below, then explore different ways to understand multiplying integers. So Lisa owes $2 to each of 6 friends. What integer represents Lisa's debt? So owing someone money implies a negative quantity. It's like having negative money, which seems weird, but that's part of adult life sometimes, is owing people money, and it's represented by a negative quantity. And then this word here, even though it's got a B in it, it's pronounced debt, and debt is money you owe. Like if you have a credit card, you owe money. If you buy a house and you have a mortgage, you owe money. If you finance a car and you owe the bank money for your car, you have a debt. So a debt is money that you owe. So she owes $2 to each of 6 friends. We want to know what integer, what number represents her total debt. So we can solve this problem, or we can model it with some repeated addition, and then we're going to model it on the number line as well. So you can use groups to help understand the problem. So she owes $2 to each of 6 friends. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups of -2. So each of these little -2s represents the $2 that she owes to each of 6 friends. So 6 groups of -2, if you counted by -2, -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12, the total money that she would owe is -$12. And remember, it's -2 because she owes that money, and owing someone money is a negative quantity. So we have 6 groups of -2 for a total of -$12. We could also see this on the number line by starting at 0. So assuming she has 0 money to start with, every time she borrows $2 from her friend, the amount that she owes goes, we go to the left on the number line because she owes more and more as she borrows money. So we're going to make 6 jumps of -2 starting at 0. So we go -2 to -4 to -6 to -8 to -10 to -12. Each of those is a jump of -2. So each one of these little jumps of -2 represents one friend that she's owing $2 to. And you can see after she makes those 6 little jumps of -$2 each, at the end she lands at -12. And so she owes her friends in total -$12. The keyword or the mystery word for this video is calculator. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in class.